What's up, my punginos? Andy with Tech Influence here, going over the walnut case from the folks at Mous. This is for the Pixel 8 Pro. I think it's a great way here to be able to not only add awesome ergonomic grip as well as drop-proof protection, but also something that's super classy to go with your fit, to go with your lifestyle. With that said, this Walnut Burl case is awesome as it features the Limitless 5.0 AeroShock technology from the folks at Mous. It's great as it adds obviously that ergonomic grip, but a nice insulation rubber in the inside to be able to protect against the most active of lifestyles. I really like how the walnut is treated. It looks great with the light oil, which will last a long time, and it will turn heads as you carry it with you. With that said, this video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, Andar. If you want to get a genuine leather strap or accessory here, check out the end of the video here for more details. With that said, let's go and unbox it, show you what you're getting yourself into, and also that it does feature that magnetic MagSafe standard here, which is cool on iPhones that's now here on Androids. Unboxing is super straightforward. As you can see, it comes in packaging that can be recycled, which is nice, and I just love how they're careful care and attention here in their manufacturing. It makes for such a sleek, awesome case. Look at that, that grain is so unique here. As you can see, all of the grain here going vertical with a couple of other knots and stuff on the case itself. As you can see, it is nice and shiny. It means that it's been sanded and tooled to perfection. It's glued in here on the case that is made out of a TPU polycarbonate material, which provides you that military drop grade. You got the ergonomic grip as well as a little slot for a wrist strap. On the inside here, you've got this microfiber material here that's nice and spongy, as well as the AeroShock technology in green there. That is a nice cushion here to be able to insulate for drop, for mishaps, all that good stuff. With that said, on the back side, you can see you've got a little lip here for the camera, which is nice, which will provide you that protection. And then you got your punch out and your buttons, obviously, for the unit. Placing it here for the first time, this is gonna be my go-to daily driver. And so having something like this is important, especially if you wanna protect against that active lifestyle. On its face here, it's not gonna scratch the screen. You can have a screen protector there as well. And then on the camera bump, as you can see, it just looks really cool with that silver juxtaposed on the black on the inlay for the camera. Man, even though I've got the porcelain color here, it does give you a very masculine, sleek look. And you still have full access to all of the buttons and utility. If you want a screen protector, you still have that option here, and you can go ahead and still charge. Now, like I mentioned here at the beginning, you got this really cool option here to utilize MagSafe. It'll just snap into place here and start charging through Qi charging, which is really nice. If you have other devices here, you can go ahead and add them if you want. This can act as a nice little desk stand here. It's from the folks in Murpiso. I really like it. It kind of just latches there in place. So if you wanted to be able to watch on your desk on the go, it's really nice to have. Nextly here, I've got a 5,000 milliamp battery, which drives like 10 watts here charging, which is cool. It just starts charging right away, which is really nice. It's sleek. It's good for travel. Lastly here, I've got this content creation device here. This is the ShiftCam. As you can see, it can kind of peel off there, and it's this really sleek, pocketable MagSafe unit here. You can go ahead and slap it onto this creator kit, which is cool. It adds a tripod mount as well as a grip for selfie. And then you can go ahead and just snap it on here. And now you've got yourself a dedicated shutter button, which is cool like this. But also you've even got this button here for your charging. It's a 5,000 milliamp 5-watt charging to be able to charge on the go. When you're on location, you're shooting, you're running and gunning, all that good stuff. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. You can get a 15% code if you use my code Tech Influence here. I've got cases, I got watch straps, all that good stuff here to be able to lift your lifestyle. This is a sponsored video from the folks at Andar. With that said, Mous has made probably the best case to date. I really can't find any others that's better, especially for Android. They're starting to integrate this MagSafe, which is so cool. And having this in your hand is so sleek. Otherwise, the walnut I think is my go-to. I haven't decided if the leather or the walnut is better. Nonetheless, check down below for the links in the description. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.